Loves, in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys how you can stop your skin from getting darker, whether it's just your face or your body. Over time of getting a nicer complexion, a fairer skin, just within 2-3 weeks you just start noticing again your skin is getting darker. Even if you didn't really change anything, you are still using the same products, you just notice that your skin starts getting darker. So in this video I'm going to be telling you guys why it's like that and how you can also fix it. I know some people's severe dark skin can be genetics, like this is just something that is natural, probably a darker neck or darker area in your skin that doesn't really relate to your product or your lifestyle. It's just genetics. So probably one or two of these tips which I'm going to give in this video might really help you. So the first reason why your skin can tend to get darker, either your face or your body, is you are over exfoliating your skin. So some people love the effect of exfoliation because the result after exfoliating the skin comes with this smoothness, this softness, and your skin product just works better, and there's just a lot of benefits when it comes to exfoliating the skin. But the thing is that when you do it too much, you get a bad result. So too much of everything they say what is bad. So try as much as possible not to over exfoliate your skin. So another thing when it comes to exfoliating is that don't use physical scrubs on your face. I used to do this before. I used to use physical scrub on my face. Though I didn't really get darker, that was also because maybe back then I was not really consistent with it. Maybe if I was very consistent with it, maybe I would have experienced it. But still, my skin and your skin might have this little difference that make products work differently. Don't apply physical scrubs on your face. It can make your face to get darker. One way to actually do this is to apply chemical exfoliants. For your face, there are chemical exfoliants that contain salicylic acid, glycolic acid, AHAs and BHAs. So when a product contains any of these skincare ingredients, you know that it is an exfoliating product, especially when it is the active product there. It can help to exfoliate your face, and you don't also use it every single day. When you do it like that, you're going to get a good result. Then another thing when it also comes to exfoliating the skin is exfoliating your skin more than 3 times in a week. Just like I said, so many people get a good result from exfoliating the skin, and they want to exfoliate their skin up to 4 up to 5 times in a week. Honestly, you're not going to get a good result with it. You're only going to be destroying your skin because your skin is going to get dry and your skin is going to look dull, and you have discoloration on your skin because when this exfoliation gets too much on your skin can start having little tears, and these tears can turn to injury that turns to dark spots. You might not even be seeing it, but it'll just be there. You can even be having some black dots on your skin. So whether it's on your body now, don't over exfoliate your skin more than 3 times in a week. And for you that's already experiencing this dark skin, you want to stick to twice in a week when it comes to exfoliating your skin. So 3 times might even be too much for you who already have a darker body, probably to your face. Your body is darker than your face. You want to exfoliate your skin just twice in a week to get a good result. So chemical exfoliant for your face, physical scrub for your body, and that is it. You're going to get a better result. And the pigmented part of your body is going to resolve, because one beautiful thing about skincare, when you actually stop something that is causing a problem on your skin, sometimes the problem can easily resolve, especially when you actually stop it sooner. So the next reason why you might be experiencing some pigmentation on a part of your skin, like your face and your body, is you are not using sunscreen. So this is like something that is very compulsory. When you want to prevent your skin from getting darker, then you get a sunscreen. And getting a sunscreen means you get a sunscreen with a high SPF. Don't go and get SPF 30, it won't do anything for you. Get a sunscreen that is high up to SPF 50, SPF 60, 70 if possible, to get a good result. And also make sure that anytime you apply sunscreen on your skin, on your face, on your body, you stay away from sun. Sunscreen does not mean I'm covered, I will stay under the sun throughout the entire day. It doesn't work that way. You also need to make sure that you are staying away from the sun. Another thing about sunscreen is that when you actually get dressed in the morning, after applying sunscreen on your face, because I know a lot of you like to apply sunscreen on your face and not your body, on part of your skin, like you can see right now, like the top I am wearing now, you apply your sunscreen here, you apply your sunscreen here, you apply it down to your neck this way. Apply the sunscreen on the area of your skin that you'll be exposing out. You don't necessarily need to apply sunscreen all over your body, just area of your skin that will be opened out when you go out. For me, I use the Gavia sunblock. That's a very good sunscreen that I've been using for years. Gets the work done, really protects my skin from sun damage. And I also use the Bio UV sunscreen. That's also a very nice one. But there are others that I have not even tried that also gives a better result. So the next reason why your skin can actually get darker after some time, probably you've been enjoying a lighter complexion, then you just use a particular product now, your skin have just gotten darker, is using a non-brightening product after you've been on a journey of a lighter skincare routine. When you do that, your skin is going to get darker. I've been there so many times. my skin will just be looking very yummy, very bright, very light. In fact, after using a particular product, my skin will just start getting darker. In fact, from the second, third day of using the product, my skin will just start getting darker. Let me tell you guys the truth. Sometimes the product that is actually making you dark might not be a bad product. The issue there is that probably that product is just a moisturizing product, and you have been on a lighter skincare routine. Like some moisturizing products can darken your skin. They can make your skin dark. Not like they are darkening your skin. They're taking your skin to its original. You know what you are using that your lightening skincare routine to build up, the non-brightening product will just come and destroy everything. So make sure that when you are choosing a product, you choose a product wisely. If not, your skin can be bright this week. Next week, your skin is looking dark. The other week, your skin is back again. So make sure that when you are on a lightening skincare routine, because some products, you know within you, this product is what is making my skin light, and the moment I stop that product, my skin will not get light anymore. Don't introduce a moisturizing product to replace that your lightening product, because definitely you will go dark. You know, sometimes some people will advise that to use a particular product to lighten up your skin, then you stop and go in with a good set of moisturizing products. That doesn't work. In fact, you cannot bleach your skin and then go and start using moisturizing products. It will not work for you. So either you are sticking with a brightening product that gradually brightens your skin, maintains your tone, gives you a natural tone to a very high extent that nothing can damage, or you stick with your lightening product that will just keep lightening your skin, and don't go and use moisturizing products with darkening your skin. That's why you see some products that people are enjoying, like you see this Olay vitamin C, some really moisturizing lotions. I see a lot of people complain that lotions are darkening their skin, whereas I have seen a lot of fair skin people use this lotion and their skin even gets better by the day. That is because your initial skincare routine is a lightening skincare routine. So you now using a brightening product inside that's your lightening skincare routine, and leaving your lightening skincare routine to not work that way. So either you're using a good brightening product that gradually brightens your skin, or you go and use your lightening product and bleach your skin and not get a good result the moment you apply a product to your skincare routine. All the same, this can actually be a reason why your skin is getting darker. Most times, honestly, most times, this is just the reason. Non-brightening product into a lightening skincare routine to just destroy everything you've built. Another reason why you can actually get darker but on your face or your body is that your product is reacting to sun, or is irritating your skin. So sometimes, honestly, when you apply some products on your skin, you can feel that this product is burning your skin or is irritating your skin. When you don't carefully use that type of product, that product can damage your skin, and when it damages your skin, it makes your skin get dark. And you also know there are some products that you don't use during the daytime. When you use those products and go into the sun, your skin will just automatically get darker. It will make your skin get pigmented because that product actually reacts so much with the sun. When you see people telling you don't use this product during the daytime, they know what they are telling you is because you will get dark instead of getting bright. But when you actually use that product at night, you will see a better result. So I remember one time I was using this Pure Carrot face cream, and in the face cream, the description there is that you don't use the face cream during the daytime. But when I actually use this face cream, I was like, this face cream is very mild. It's not even a lightening face cream, so why should I not use it during the daytime? So I actually tried using it morning and evening. Although I actually wanted to also give review about it, so I wanted to go extra mile to do what I was not supposed to do, right? I used this face cream morning and evening, and over time I discovered my skin was even getting dark. You know, the way my face was, I was not really loving the result. So I decided to stick to the instruction given by the manufacturer to use the face cream only at night. And guess what? Within 3-4 days, I just started loving my skin. So just because the product is calm does not mean you should use it morning and evening. If it is stated by the manufacturer that you should not use it in the morning, don't use it in the morning. There's an ingredient there that will react to sun. So make sure your products are not actively destroying your skin or irritating your skin. With that, your skin will not get darker all of a sudden. So the next thing we can actually leave out is stress and hormonal changes. Sometimes your skin can just get dark, not because you change your skincare product, not because you did not follow the rules. Probably during your menstrual time of the month, you can just start to notice difference on your skin, just little difference, because some people can feel some difference more than other people. So just that alone can actually make your skin to get darker, probably around your mouth. You can just see some people, probably they are around their mouth looks darker, their forehead, those areas just seem to get pigmented. And again, it can be pregnancies. You cannot be pregnant and experience this type of things, like your skin all of a sudden getting darker, and then you are not looking for an Osha Prapra to reverse your skin. These are hormonal changes. Even if you apply the best cream in the world, your skin can still get even worse. So allow that hormones to clear up. You should actually go for the source of the problem. So the source of the problem is you are pregnant. So it's not a problem though. You have to finish that phase of your life first before trying to repair your skin. So stress again is something that can actually make a toll on your skin. It can make your skin to look old. It can make your skin to have a lot of wrinkles. Your skin texture will not look lightweight. It will look very thick in a way that doesn't look healthy at all. So all these lifestyle changes can affect your skin. So when you are going through those phases, the problem is the phases, not your skincare routine. So don't go and be figuring out your skincare routine instead of figuring out the phase of your skin. So another reason why your skin actually gets darker is that you are using a fake product or you are using a low quality product. So as much as you probably would love to purchase a product, you want to be sure that when you are getting that product, you are getting it from a good cosmetic shop. And when it also comes to low quality products, I'm not saying affordable products is not good. I mean low quality, not affordable here. The product does not contain good skincare ingredients. The product can be sold for even 10,000 naira. It doesn't mean it's affordable. The ingredients in it doesn't contain good quality ingredients. So when you use this type of product, for the first 2 weeks, your skin, everybody's going to be asking you, what are you using? But you see, from the 3rd week, you're going to have this rebound darkening. Your skin will just all of a sudden go back to square zero at once. So you need to make sure that you're not going for low quality products and you're also not using a fake product. So the next reason why you can also experience darkening is you are skipping moisturizers. As much as some people will say, I don't like body lotion, I don't like this one, but what are you using to moisturize your skin? When you look at your entire skincare products, which of them is moisturizing your skin? So when you don't have enough moisturizing products, your skin can get dull and look dark. So it's just a natural thing there. Get products that are moisturizing. When your skin is highly moisturized and hydrated, you even get a natural glow from it. Your glowing skin even has nothing to do with whether your skin is light or whether your skin is fair, or whether a product is even making you light or fair. But when a product is actually hydrating and moisturizing your skin will just look very soft, your skin will just look very radiant, you see. So even if you have acne on your skin will still be glowing and looking very yummy. That's because you have enough moisturizing and hydrating products in there. So you should also make sure that you stay away from sun, just like I've explained, because sun triggers melanin production on the skin and you don't want to expose your skin to sun. Just like I said, just because you use sunscreen does not mean you should stay inside the sun. So just prevent your skin from sun damage. So that brings us to the end of the video, and I hope 1 or 2 of these tips here can actually help you to resolve your darker face or your darker body or your pigmented area of your skin to actually get a good result. So that brings us to the end of the video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please subscribe to see you in my next video.